Hi everybody, today I will show you how to add shadow to shapes in Canva. So, to do this, first open Canva on your PC. Now, simply select the shape that you want to add the shadow to. Once you click the shape, you will see these options at the top. Click on Effects option and you will see this panel appearing at the left of your screen. Now, choose Drop and you will see these values that you can play with. So, you can change the value of this like direction, offset, blur, and transparency. Once you play with these values, you will see that a shadow is appearing behind your shape. You can change the direction of the shadow anyhow you want. You can make this up, left, down, or right. So this is pretty easy. You can also choose the offset of this, whether you want the shadow to be away from the shape or near the shape. You can choose the blur of the shadow and the transparency of it. And after you do this, you can also choose other shadows like glitch shadow, glow, echo, and more. So that's the way to add shadow to shapes in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.